highest natural gas vehicles in India has been noteworthy with a CAGR of almost 7% over the past 5 years. While the growth was concentrated in selected regions of the country, with the steps taken by various stakeholders, this is expected to be replicated across many other parts of India. CNG, however, has a limitation for long-haul trucks on account of the trade-offs between a lower range and the payload penalty of cylinders carrying the gas. This is where liquefied natural gas fits as a viable alternative because it helps overcome this key limitation. While the current penetration in India is low, based on the improvement in running cost on accounting of rising diesel price vis-a-vis LNG prices, infrastructural and policy initiatives, the time is ripe for the segment to take a leap into the gas age. Advantages of LNG offers advantages across a wide spectrum of parameters. It is a well-known fact that per ton kilometer cost is a major determinant of truck and fuel choices. LNG's per unit, which price is currently lower than diesel, makes it a viable alternative. The purchase price of an LNG truck is higher by about 22%. However, the running cost is about 40% lower, which makes the overall cost of ownership of an LNG truck is a comparable diesel truck lower by 32%. On the energy security front too, India has sufficient natural gas as approximately 5 trillion cubic meter of recoverable reserves, of which is less than 0.5% is used as a fuel in the current CNG fleet. Therefore, it can cater to the increased demand for natural gas vehicles. This is also in line with India's vision to increase the gas usage in overall energy mix from current 7% to 15% by 2030. In addition, LNG is quieter and cleaner with an emission factor 25% lower than diesel. In terms of energy density, LNG has a calorific value of 12,950 kg when compared to diesel's 10,900 kg, thereby enabling a higher vehicle range with similar size of the fuel tank. While filtrage issues are common with diesel, LNG being cryogenic at a temperature of -162 degrees Celsius can be considered as the approved fuel. The way forward global example indicates that setting up LNG corridors help fast-track adoption of dispelling myths and also showcasing the advantages of LNG as a fuel. The earliest adopters can be logistic service providers that have a guaranteed load at both ends of the transportation leg along the corridor. That would ensure the truck is not stationary with the LNG in the fuel tank for a longer period. This has a twofold advantage as it helps reduce the fuel loss from the tank, and the higher truck utilization will also ensure a shorter payback period.